This conference will now
Hi
be
guys, good morning
recorded.
all of you. So we are continuing the purchase and transaction part 3. Okay, I think part 4, right? Yeah. So here we are in the PO, right? So PO material data tab. So let me take you to PO screen. Okay. Okay. So this is the PO. Okay. So now coming to material data tab. Okay. So material data tab. Vendor material number. It can be copied from info record and still editable here. Okay. This can be copied from info record. Okay, and still it is editable here. Material group. This is copied from the material master. Okay, material group is copied from material master because if you see the material already, material group is there in purchasing in basic data one, right? If you double click this, it will redirect you to mm03 display material. So this is what we have given material group, right? 004. So this is what it is showing there in the PO. Okay, yeah, material vendor material number. Okay, vendor material number is not comma. This like this. Vendor material number. It can be copied from info record and still editable here. So this can be copied from info record, information record, ME11, right? But here, in this case, we have not created info record. See here, how to check that whether this is having info record or not. You can directly check here. See here, this is the PO. Okay. See, this is info record. So if yeah, it is having. So double click this. This is info record. Okay. The vendor 3000 is there and this. So this is copied from info record. So vendor material number. Okay. That is still editable here. It can't be copied from info record. Still editable here. It should come, but it will come here right now. It is not showing. Coming to info update. Uh, yeah, this checkbox. If you select this checkbox, what will happen? Info update. Okay. So if you check this indicator and existing info record data, reminder tolerances will be updated with this PO data. If no info record is there, then a new info record is created automatically with this PO data. If it is not there, automatically in the background without M11, another info record with the will be created. And if the reminders tolerance are there, that will be updated. Okay, whatever it is there in the info record, that will be updated. Okay. Note net prices condition type will not be updated from PO to info record. So one thing you need to understand net prices and whatever net prices are there and condition type that will not be updated from the PO to info record. Okay. So like we have the net price here, right? How much is the net price? Like if you see the condition, this is the net price. This will not updated and new condition type that is not updated. Okay, that will not updated from PO to info record. So whatever we have given, let's say for example, I'm giving some uh, new condition type. Okay, so many condition types are there. Let's say for example, I have taken here. Yeah, you can take anything like freight quantity. Okay, freight quantity I'm taking like 4. Okay, click enter. Cannot enter new delivery cost. Okay, because PO history is created. Okay, that's the reason. So let me create a new PO. Okay, let me create a new PO. Okay, let me or slash n slash n. And this PO will get closed. Okay, yeah. So ME 21N. I'll give this vendor. Let's say we have so many vendors. So let's take this 3000 vendor. Okay, already it is there. I'm practicing. Otherwise, you can take your own vendor. Okay, no issue. 000. Take one material which is related to plant, which is related to plant 3000. Everything should match. If you are taking 2000, then again the system will throw error. This is not uh, exist in plant 2000 like that. Okay, so this everything plant 3000 is there. Okay, yeah. So we have created so many. We have created so many materials, right? So let me take some material here. Mm, yeah, here it is. Mm, what I've created. Okay, let me take this 1418. 1418. Okay, so quantity I'm giving here 100 and net price also 100. Okay, plant I'm giving here 3000. Store location, these are the mandatory things. Okay, 0001. Okay, conditions. Source not included in list to display source list requirement. Okay, source not included in list. The source list exists, I think, for this. Let me check how to know this. Source list included in list display source list requirement. Okay, so source list is mandatory. Some settings are there. So let me try with 1000. So everything I need to change. Okay, if I use 1000. So there I have not maintained source list. So I need to change this material also related to plant 1000, right? So we have created some materials here also, right? So let me take some material. 1448. Okay, I have extended this, right? Yeah, I have extended this material earlier for my plant 3000 as well as 1000 also, right? Yeah. So now you need to change not in New York because 1000 is what? Germany 1000. And for this, store location 0001 is exist. So you can take this, that no issue. Purchase organization not responsible. Yeah, so you need to change the purchase organization also, right? So in header, don't give 3000 years. So you need to change 1000. Otherwise, the system will throw the error. And obviously, company code will also be 1000. So this is the basic things, as a consultant we should know. Okay. So here, no commitment item, enter an item 10. Okay. So commitment item. Another error is there. No commitment item entered in item 10 1000. Okay. So what is that commitment item? Okay, info record exists. Okay, let me create one material related to our enterprise structure. So ME21N. So like what we have created, I need to check here. Like how to check? I'll show you. Yeah, vendors by company code, right? So company code Vico. Okay, WICO. So I'll check with Vico. So many vendors I've already created. So I'll take this data. Okay, and here purchase or I think WPO one, right? Wipro purchase or one. You should know these things, what you have maintained. Otherwise, again, the system will throw the error. So, material related to my plant. What is my plant? WCP1, right? Wipro Computer Plant 1. WCP1, right? Wipro Computer Plant 1, I have created so many uh, materials already, right? So, I'm taking this glass. So, quantity I need 100 and here net price 100. Okay, plant WCP1, Wipro Computer Plant 1, and Wipro Computer Storage 1, WCS1. Currency INR currency. Okay. Vendor on then be created for purchase order WPO1. Okay. So if this is the case, then what you can do is you go to 100226 and XK01 100226. Okay. This is my vendor, right? And the company code is Vico and purchase org is WPO1. WPO1. And account group TRD I can take. Order currency INR. That's it. So here I have created the vendor extended to purchase WPO1. That's the reason it is throwing the error. So now again I need to go back because it will not update. So again I'm creating the PO with ME 21N. Okay. So I'm taking the vendor here, okay, and purchase order WPO1, okay, and this is you can take anything here. Company code will come by default Vico. Why? Because we have assigned company code to purchase organization, right? That's the reason it is coming directly in enterprise structure. Already we have done the assignment, right? Okay, so here take this material and PO quantity 100, net price 100, okay, and plant take WCP1, storage location WCS1. Click enter. Maintain not maintained in plant WCP1. Hey, what happened, man? 1448. Oh, oh. Now take WCP1, Wipro Computers Plan 1. Okay, so I'm taking this glass. Okay, so click enter. So you need to practice, for creating the P only, so many errors are there. So why that error is coming, how to resolve it, as a consultant, we should know this. This is anyhow warning message. If it is in red, then it will not allow you to create a PO, right? So leave it. Okay, now coming to material data type. Okay, so now we are here, right? Yeah, info update because info record exists. Okay, vendor subrange now that much important. Batch because they know batch management here. Okay, EAN European article number UPC. This will also come via material master, but in material master we have not maintained this. Let me double click this 1455. So where it is European article number? So it is uh, yeah, it is in basic data one, I think. Yeah, see here there is no EAN UPC. That's why that is not coming. Okay, in material master. So it is coming via material master. This information. Okay, EAN European article number, universal product code. So basically, what will happen? The end users they will maintain this in material master. So that will come here. Okay. Yeah. Mm. Now coming to quantities tab, quantity and weight. Okay. Here observe quantity conversion between order unit and base unit measure based on material master unit conversion, and observe copied weight and volume unit from material master. So this is obviously copied from the material master. Okay. Whatever we maintain the units. Okay. That is copied from material master net weight. So why this is not there? Because net weight, gross weight, volume point, this is we have not maintained in material master. So double click this 1455. So this is volume basic data 1. So see, there's nothing here. See, zero, zero. Okay, gross weight, net weight, volume. Okay, so this is copied from material master. Okay, that's the reason this is blank. Yeah, Yusuf, understand? Madhulika, Akshaya, is it okay? You people are not speaking. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So coming to delivery schedule. Coming to delivery schedule. So delivery date. So whatever date we give in the PO line item, this date will be coming here. Okay. Schedule quantity. So we have this PO quantity. Okay. Statistical delivery date, whatever it is here, it will pop it here. Okay. Delivery schedule. If total item quantity has to deliver in different delivery dates, then enter delivery schedule dates and schedule quantity. So if you want on different dates this quantity, also it is possible. Let's say for example this is 100. So what I will do, I'll make this as 50 here. Okay, and on different date, let's say for example I need on 29th. Okay, the balance 50. Okay, like this you can maintain. So that means this 100 quantity is split in two different delivery dates. So what will happen? The vendor will supply you 50 quantity on 17th and on 29 50 quantity. Okay, like this. Yeah. Delivery tab. Now coming to delivery tab. This is delivery tab. Okay. So in delivery tab, here tolerance limit, and reminders can be copied from info record. If anything is there, that is copied from info record. If no info record, then is there, then this will be copied from material master and still editable here. Okay. So if info record, information record is not there, why this is coming? 1455, I think info record exists, right? Info record is not there. Okay. Yeah. There is no info record. So how to create info record? M11, right? With a combination of vendor, material, and plant. We do that and we maintain the info record, information record. So here info record is not there. Then this will be copied from material master and still editable here. So this will be again copied from material master. So you people will say like, why this is not showing over delivery, under delivery, and shipping instruction unlimited, because here in material master we have not maintained under delivery, over delivery. That's the reason it is not showing even via material master also. First reminder, second reminder, third reminder, these are also not there. Okay, this is also not there. So under delivery, over delivery, tolerance. Okay, shipping instruction, this will come via vendor master also. If you maintain over delivery, under delivery, tolerance limited, and list of first reminder, second reminder, this is actually in vendor master also we have terms of payment, right? So in terms of payment we maintain these reminders. Okay, so that will also fetch from vendor master also. Shipping instruction, if any shipping instruction is there, basically this is again wherever shipping is there, then this SD will involve, sales and distribution consultant, SD consultant. Stock type is like unrestricted, because this stock is not kept as blocked. This stock for this material 1455 is showing in unrestricted use only. It is not in block, it is not for quality inspection. Okay. How to know this? If you check this 1455, okay, let me open a new session. I am going to MMB 1455. Okay. WCP1, WCS1, execute. The stock is unrestricted. Unrestricted means there is no restriction at all, right? It is good for production purpose. See here, it is unrestricted, right? It is not kept anywhere in quality, either quality inspection, nor it is in block stock. Block means at last. Okay, that's the reason it is fetching the data from Material Master, which is good to use, unrestricted. Okay, reminder shelf life. This also comes usually from Material Master storage view, because this is not maintained. 1455, let me take here. So we have plant data storage 1 and storage 2, right? So here, you need to give this WCS1. Obviously, storage location means warehouse number we need to give. Okay. So here, see, we have not maintained. Basically, this is maintained by uh, WM consultant, warehouse management. So now EWM came, extended warehouse management. Earlier it was warehouse management. Now extended warehouse EWM. So in the market, we have SAP EWM consultant, extended warehouse management. Okay, that is the latest one. So here, see here, minimum reminder shelf life, maximum, nothing is mentioned. If you see here in storage 2 also, nothing is maintained. So basically, who will maintain? The SD people. They will train the users how to maintain this. So gross weight, net weight, and like serial profile number, profit, this all. They will show them. Okay, SD people. Yeah. So coming to next part. Note at GR, if over delivery tolerance limit exceeded, then message always error message. If under delivery tolerance exceeded, then we can set as warning or error message. Under delivery, over delivery. How this will come? Already I have shown you in Material Master and Vendor Master, right? Here, see, like usually this will have in Vendor Master, right? Over delivery, under delivery. I think one second. Yeah, from sorry, purchasing value cannot come from vendor master, because in this material 1455 we have not maintained this purchasing value. Purchasing value key will show first reminder, second reminder, third reminder. Okay, shipping instruction, under delivery tolerance, over delivery already, and in material master I covered this, right? So that's the reason it is not showing here in PO. Okay, that's the reason it is not showing in PO. Purchasing value key. Suppose, for example, if you take this 2, okay, if you take this select as 2, then what will happen? First reminder, it will show it 10 days, second reminder, 20 days, third reminder, 30 days, under delivery tolerance 10%, over delivery tolerance 20%, 10%. Okay, so this all information will be showing here. Okay, so this all, as of now, it is 0 because it is not maintained. So if you maintain, this will show reflect in PO also. Okay, that's why this is over delivery, under delivery. It all unlimited means you need to understand this. Suppose, for example, unlimited. If I'm giving unlimited, then what will happen? Like I'm raising PO quantity for 100, but the vendor is supplying you 1,000 quantity. So you are taking that, you are accepting. Because there no limit at all, unlimited. How much you can sell? I can purchase like that. It is okay, unlimited, under delivery. Okay, so this is what it is. Go to next, you go and select application EF and click condition record. Okay, select Erin. So here, like at GR, if over daily total limit exceed, that message is always error message. If under delivery tolerance exceeded, we can set message as warning or error. How to set the message as warning or error message? Go to Nest code. I'm just showing you. Go to Nest code. Open a new session. Go to Nest NACE. Okay, and select application EF. This one. Go to condition record. Okay, select output Erin. This is reminder. ERIN. Erin. Okay. Click condition record button. Select purchasing document type. So this purchase or vendor for EDI. Okay. Document type purchase or vendor. I'm selecting this. EDI means electronic data interchange. Electronic data interchange, that is usually IDOC, intermediary document. Means from third party it is coming to SAP. Whatever data is there, that is fetching from SAP. That is called EDI. Okay. Purchasing document type NB, right? Purchasing document type NB, which is the standard one what SAP has given. So you can select here NB. Okay. Purchase or WPO1. Fan karo. Vendor 100228. Execute. Okay. So here again you need to maintain the vendor here 100228. Okay. And here function is VN come by default. Medium 5. So what is this 5 function? If you double click this, okay. So function is basically VN, main vendor. Okay, so medium is 5. What is this 5? External send. Okay, external send. Vendor is not maintained for purchasing WPO1. Oh, 10228 not maintained for purchasing WPO1. Is it so? Okay, let me check. 100228 again. XJ01 100228, right? WPO1 is there. Click enter. Yeah, it is not maintained actually. So I'm maintaining, okay. So here, as I told you, accounts payable, right? 1,60,000 always, okay. This is A1 domestic payment. Payment terms I don't need right now. Order currency INR. Click enter and save it, okay. So I maintain this, and now again it will show the error. So what I need to do? Again, I need to go to next code. Okay, application EF, condition record. Okay, Erin, ERIN, reminder. Select this, purchasing output determination, document type, purchase or vendor. Okay, and give this a purchasing document type. For normal PO, document type will be NB, right? This is NB. And for STO document type will be UB, right? And for service PO, document type will be framework order, FO. Okay, so you need to give here NB, purchase or WPO1, right? And this one, and execute. and again give 100,228, and here VN, make this as a 5, click enter. Oh, 100,228, click enter. Triple two. Okay. The output has not been defined for medium 5 and partner function VN. Okay. Click enter. Click communication button now. Here it is. Okay. So now I'm clicking this communication button. Okay. Communication structure is CS01. Internet. Communication strategy. CS01. Internet. Take this. Okay. Back and save. Or else you can save it here. So condition record is saved. Okay. So now what will happen? This will happen. A GR, if over delivery tolerance limit exceeded, then message is always error message over delivery. That means in Material Master you have given 10% over delivery. Means what? Let's say this is the your PO, right? 100 quantity. But the vendor is supplying you 110 quantity. That is acceptable because that is over delivery, right? What is under delivery? You confirm the vendor to provide 100 quantity, but the vendor is saying no, I don't have right now 100 quantity, I can provide you 90 quantity. Okay, that is acceptable because under delivery tolerance is 10% already you have maintained in your Material Master. Okay, but if it is less than 10% uh, under delivery, if it is uh, like let's say for example 10% you maintain, so 10% 100 into 10%, how much? 10, right? But the vendor is supplying you 80 quantity, then the system will give the warning message. Okay, similarly the system will give warning message for over delivery also, over delivery. But here in this case, if you do this setting, what will happen? What will happen? A GR, if over delivery to unlimited limit exceed, that message is always error message. It is always error message. Okay, so let me practically will do this 1455, right? So for 1455 there is no limit. Over delivery means tolerance key this all, purchasing value key is not maintained. So let me maintain that also. MM02. Okay, 1455. Click enter. Where it is in purchasing, right? So plant WCP1, storage location WCS1. Okay, click enter. Now I'm maintaining in the purchasing value key I'm maintaining. Okay, so over delivery 10%. I'm maintaining this too. Click enter. Then everything comes into picture. First reminder 10 days, second reminder 20 days, third reminder 30 days. How it is fetching? It is fetching where like this. 10 days first reminder, 20 days, second reminder 20, third reminder 30, under delivery 10, unlimited, there is no unlimited, okay? Unlimited delivery, okay? Everything is showing here, okay? 10% under delivery, over delivery 10%, okay? Now save this. Let's say we have done this NACE settings, right? At GR, if over delivery tolerance limit exceeded, that means we have ordered 100 quantity, but the vendor is supplying you 120 quantity, which is exceeded more than 10%, right? That message is always error message. Means error message means it will be showing in red color. If it is in yellow, warning message, okay, you can still have the chance to process the GR, my go. If under delivery balance tolerance exceeded, we can send message as warning or errors. Now we'll see. We'll try to create a PO, okay, for this material 1455, and let's see what will happen. ME21N. So give that vendor 100228. Click enter. Purchase order WPO1, and the material is 1455, right? 1455, right? Madhulika,
Yes, sir.
Yusuf. Hmm. Quantity, let's say I'm forwarding here 100 and net price is 100. Plant is WCP1. Show location WCS1. Click enter. Okay, so here see over delivery 10%. Earlier it was blank, right? Under delivery 10%. First reminder 10 days, second reminder 20. This is all fetching from material data, right? In delivery. Third reminder 30 days. Okay. Stock type already has shown you in an MMB. It is unrestricted, means good to use, right? Now let's save this PO. 100 is there. PO quantity 100. So what I'm doing, let's say the vendor has supplied you more than over delivery 10%. So 4500017207 is the PO number. Note down this PO number. Now I'm creating the MyGo MIGO goods receipt. MyGo is an enjoy transaction because in one ticket you do multiple tasks at a time. Okay, what is that PO number? 209, right? 209. Oh, is it 209? Anyone? Let me check. ME22N. 207 here. No one is telling me, huh? Okay. Oh, go to MyGo. 207 it is. Okay. 207. Plan WCP1. Let's say assume the vendor has supplied you, instead of 100, he supplied you 120, which is more than over delivery 10%. So I'm taking here 120 quantity. Click enter. Item okay. Check. Order quantity exceeded by 20. See, this is the red one. As I told you, error. This is what? Understand? At GR, if over delivery tolerance limit exceed, that message is always error message. If under delivery tolerance exceed, we can set message as warning. For this, we need to do this next setting. Okay. If it is over delivery, always, and this will go to the vendor also, stating that this is more than over delivery 10%, and it is showing as not warning message, but it is error message. Warning message will be always yellow color, right? So this is what it is. Okay, so you can't do it. You can't pass the GR because it is exceeding more than 10% of over delivery. So what you need to do, you can take either 110. That is okay. Already you have done the setup, right? Then this red will go. Now it is green. You understand, all of you? Yeah, Yusuf,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Akshay. Akshaya, you okay? Okay, yeah, that's good. Hmm? So this is what it is. Okay, now, okay, I will not save this because I again I need to go to PO. So I'm going to ME. Some more fields are left, right? So ME22N. I'm going here now. Yeah, this delivery. Okay, this is over. Yeah, communications is all over. Okay, now coming to plan delivery time. What is this actually? Plan delivery time. This will also come via material master, right? Plan delivery time is not maintained. GR processing also not maintained. This will also come via material master. Okay. If you double click this 1455, I will show you where it is in purchasing. See GR processing 0. That's why it is not showing there. Okay. That's why it is not showing. It is 0. And in MRP, plan delivery is there. But here MRP is not there. How to bring that MRP view? This is also interview question. How to extend the material view? Material view is these are the views, okay? Basic data one view, purchasing view, okay, foreign trade import. But here I am not saying MRP view, right? MRP. How to bring that? Any idea? Anyone? Yusuf, already I covered this in material master topic. Madhulika, I have covered this. Any idea? How to extend the material view? I want to get MRP, right? Here MRP is not there. MRP view. How to bring that for this 1455 material? Tell me what is the T code? This is what the interview here. Interview questions. Huh? Tell me. No idea? MM50, how to extend the material view. Material views, VIEWS. Maintenance status, so you, I want MRP, right? Take this D, MRP, give the plan, WCP1, okay? Material 1454, okay? Click enter, execute. Hey, these are the basic things I think. I was thinking that you people are practicing, but as per my understanding, you people have to practice more, yeah. Otherwise, how you crack the interview questions, huh? Just wondering. Okay. So maintain material. So here, here you see, I'm maintaining MRP also. So MRP1, I need to maintain something here. ND, MRP type. ND means no planning as of now. Okay. Click enter. Oh, it is. I've given wrong. ND, ND means no planning. See here, as I told you, plan delivery time. See, this is what experience. How my mind triggered plan delivery time field will be in MRP. That comes with experience, practice. Okay, GR processing time is also there. Plan delivery time, let's say 2 days. Okay, MRP3, if you want to maintain, you can maintain. Okay, so here nothing mandatory. I can leave this blank. MRP4, all MRP will come. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. Material requirement planning. Okay, so here also everything I can keep this as because that's optional. Okay. So how to extend the material view? MM50. Okay, understand. Yeah, you people are need to practice more, bhai. If you really want to come into SAP world. Otherwise, forget about SAP. Do a small job like accountant job. In the market you have a lot of jobs. For accountant, what is the value? Nothing is there, right? If you have 10 years of experience as an accountant, what you will gain? Maybe 50 or 60,000, right? Or maybe 70,000, not more than that. But whereas here, if you have 8 to 10 years of experience, directly you will get the package of 30 to 40 lakhs. Why you are understanding now, right? How critical and how difficult. I'm not saying difficult, but the thing is practice. Practice is very important. Okay, and that is why huge amount people will spend, because if they stuck somewhere, then the whole business process is stopped, right? So there should be someone to control it. That is us consultants. We give support to the people, to the company, and that's what we earn. That's what we are called as a consultant. We know everything, pros and cons, why, where, everything. We have question and as well as answer also. Okay, so now see, if I go to MM02, now I can have the MRP view also. See, I brought this. Earlier it was not there, right? Earlier it was only showing as accounting one, this all, but this was not there. I brought via MM50. That means material master, you people are not practicing. If you practice material master, then someone can, answer me, sir, this is MM50. This is what you can extend the material views. These are the views. Views is nothing but department, different department. In the company they have MRP department, accounting department, purchasing department, right? Warehouse department, this is warehouse department, accounting department. Means these are nothing but views, are nothing but various departments. So how to extend the material view? I hope now you understand it clearly. MM50, okay? But please don't forget this all things. You need to practice more, okay? Yeah. So coming to again PO. Yeah. So plan delivery time. It can be copied from info record, first priority. If info record is not there, then it can be copied from vendor master, first preference, or from material master, second preference. Okay. So this is copied from material master, second preference. Okay. Plan delivery time. This one. Plan delivery time. I think we have maintained, right? Let me check 1455. It is in MRP, right? Plan delivery. MRP 2, I think, right? So WC S1. Plan delivery time 2 days. Why it is not showing? Okay, anyhow, we got this. Okay. Stock type. Yeah. Plan delivery. Stock type unrestricted. Just now I shown you. In MMB, our stock is good to use. There is no quality inspection and there is no block stock. Right. Stock type. Unrestricted quality inspection block stock. In Material Master, if post to inspection stock in purchasing view is selected, then stock type defaultly picks as quality inspection, otherwise unrestricted by default. But still editable here. It doesn't mean that in Material Master you maintain post to inspection that is fixed, you cannot change. It's not like that. So let me take you to the Material Master again. Post to inspection, okay. So go back, MM02, okay. Yeah, purchasing view. We need to go in Material Master purchasing view. So here post to inspection is there, right? Post to inspection stock. If I click this, and what is happening in the background? Then stock type defaultly picks as quality inspection. That means this will go, my stock will go for quality inspection. Okay. Now I save this. Now again I'm creating the PO with ME 21, and let me create again new PO because existing already is saved, right? So I can create multiple POs, no issue, for the same material, right? WPO1, and the material is 1455, PO quantity 100, and net price 100, plant WCP1, and store location WCS1, click enter. Okay, so now this went to quality inspection. Why? Post to inspection we have given in material master. Okay, Madhulika, understand? It went to quality inspection, this material, but it is still editable here. Understand? It is still editable here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but still editable here. So you can edit. It doesn't mean that in material master you maintain post to inspection, but I can change it to unrestricted use also. No issue. It is still editable. See here, it is editable. Okay. Yeah. Now coming to latest GR date. Latest GR date. Optional. This is the last date to GR for this PO item. If GR enters after these later GR dates, system will give warning or error message in GR. Coming to Incoterms, International Chamber of Commerce. This will also come via vendor master. So in vendor master 100226, there is no Incoterms maintained. Okay, item level. Incoterms can be copied from info record or and header level Incoterms copied from vendor master. So vendor master nothing is maintained. That's why it is not coming. Incoterms already you know, right? This is there in the vendor master. If you double click this 10228, I will show you. This will be showing in purchasing data, right? So this is purchasing data. So the Incoterms is not maintained here. See, nothing is there. International Chamber of Commerce, like as I told you at the time of vendor master, right? We have finished the topic vendor master. I told you like every year some new Incoterms will be coming into picture. So at that time, we need to check what is the latest Incoterms which is defined for this year 2026. Okay, so how you will know? As a consultant we need to make a Google, right? Make a research. So this COD, OPT, right? DAF, DAP, right? ESW. If some new Incoterms is there, then we need to configure Incoterms separately. Like I told you, if you go to already in vendor master, again I'm showing you this. I have covered this Incoterm topic also. Just type here Incoterms 2026. So something is something new added appearing in 2026. Like see here already we have this Incoterms EHW, FCA, CPT, CIP. Okay, this is via AI, artificial intelligence. It is showing in the Google, like CPT, CIP. So we need to check if something is missing. Okay, Incoterms, CPT, it is there, flight free. If something new, then we need to configure. Already I've shown you how to configure Incoterms in my vendor master class. Okay, go through it, you will understand. Okay, so I'm not going that much in detail because already we finished the vendor. So that's what I'm saying. Until unless you know all the topics perfect, you have to perfect in material master topic. You have to become perfect in vendor master, material master. Then only you will understand in the background what is happening. Otherwise, it is hardly difficult, for you to understand. You understand, Yusuf, Madhulika?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm trying
Okay.
to do practice, but the things are
Uh,
getting
uh,
some sticky at the time. You will be
uh,
busy, so I could not able to
uh,
call you. Or that's
uh-huh.
why.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah.
You people decide. I'll call you all. Madhulika, I'm also saying you also. Some Sunday or Saturday we'll sit. Whatever doubts you have, bring your laptop and clear the doubts. Okay. I'll give one
Okay,
hour
sir.
time. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No issue. Yeah. So Incoterms. So coming to delivery completed. So we have this delivery completed here. If you select this checkbox, what will happen in the background? Delivery completed. If GR enters for PO item full quantity, delivery completed indicator will be selected automatically in PO. So, like for example, this is selected automatically. Delivery completed. 100 quantity is there. I'm saving the PO. I'm passing the GR, and I got total 100 quantity. That means there is no more open PO. If the vendor is saying no, I right now I don't have 100, I have 50 quantity. What will happen? Delivery completed indicator will not be selected automatically in the PO delivery tab. Understand? That means we will come to know that still this is open PO. When the PO is called as closed PO, when we are giving the PO quantity 100 and we receive 100, GR we pass for 100, then it is no more open PO. It is a close, right? We have done the payment also. But when it will be open PO, when we ordered 100 but the vendor has supplied you 90 or 80 and some balance is left. So in that case, delivery completed will not select it automatically. Understand? Clear? All of you? I need to explain once again. Yeah? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So let's say, for example, 100 quantity is there. I'm saving this. Practically, I will show you. See, anyone will create the PO, but inside each and every field, what is important, that is something difficult task. So we should know as a MM consultant. That is what we are called as specialist, MM specialist. Anyone will create the PO, right? You go to Google and you just type how to create the PO. The system in the Google will say go to ME21 and okay, but each and every field, the importance and what is happening in the background, how it is coming, where it is coming, these all things a consultant will know, but not everyone. Okay, so 208. I'm passing the GR now for partial quantity. Okay, I'm going to my go. Okay, 208 is my PO. 208 is my PO. And let's say instead of 100, the vendor has supplied you only 70, 80, 50 quantity. Let's say 50% he has supplied. So do you think that delivery completed indicator will be checked automatically in the PO? Yeah, anyone? Tell me, Madhulika and Yusuf. Delivery completed indicator in PO. Will the checkbox will be coming automatically or it won't come? Yeah, Yusuf, tell me. Yeah. Madhulika, tell me yes or no. Material
Yes, sir.
document 93 posted. Okay, yeah. That means you're not at all listening.
Yes, sir. Even
GR
last word I could not
quantity,
get.
PO I have created for 100 quantity and GR I pass for only 50 quantity. 50 quantity only I have taken. So I am saying in PO Delivery completed indicator will come automatically or it won't come? Yeah, Madhulika, tell me. I'm checking ME22N. Tell me, yaar. Arey, that's a
Automatically,
simple
sir.
thing. You people, hey, why it will not come? Delivery completed. Why it is not coming? Tell me, Madhulika. Hey, yaar, partial quantity. I ordered 100 quantity PO, but the vendor has supplied me only
50.
quantity.
50.
Yeah, you can see PO history. Go here. Just no,
Yes.
my go I have created na. Double click this material document. See
Yes.
quantity 50. So it is
Yeah.
partial na. So
Right. Partial.
is this open PO or closed PO? Tell me. Is this open PO or closed PO? Tell me. Yeah, Madhulika, are you there? Madhu, are you there or not? I think she left. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, yeah. Such a simple thing you're not understanding, you people. If GR delivery complete, if GR enters for full item quantity, PO item full quantity, delivery complete indicator will be selected automatically. Understand? Full
Yes,
quantity.
sir. For
But
full
here,
quantity, not half quantity.
uh, so still it is called as, is it open PO or closed PO? Tell me. Is it open PO or closed PO?
Open view.
Open, because the system will expect more 50 quantity, right?
Yes. Yes.
Once I complete the whole 100 quantity,
100.
Madhulika is
It will
there.
be close view.
Hey, Madhulika is there. Why she is not responding? I don't know. Yeah. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Delivery completed. Now, let's say the vendor has supplied you again 50 quantity. So
50
what you will
quantity.
do? Again go to my go. Will you create a new PO or you use the same PO? Existing PO. Tell me. 50
He ordered
quantity already.
he- same same customer or other customer.
Hey, yaar, PO is only one, na? So this PO
Yeah.
I have
Yeah.
created already 209, right? 208.
Yes.
If I click enter, it will show me by balance quantity by default. See here 50.
Yes.
You
Then
understand?
you have
I'm
to.
not I'm not creating separate PO. This PO
Okay.
consists of
Okay.
whole 100 quantity. I need 100. That's it.
That's it. Yes. Yes.
If I enter again, so that means two GRI pass for one PO. Understand? Two
Yes, sir.
goods received I pass for one PO. Now
Yes, sir.
what I do? Item okay. Check and post.
Yes.
Now this is closed PO, right? There is no more open PO.
Already done 100 now. It will be close PO.
So what will happen? Info update. It will show as
Free
check mark.
delivery.
Check mark.
Yes. Check
I'll
mark.
show you to ME22N. This will come automatically by default.
Yeah.
See, this should come. GR delivery completed, because it is
Delivery
completed.
complete.
Already it is completed, right? This will come by
Yes.
default. Okay.
But it's not coming now,
Because,
sir.
no, because all just now it is updated. Now it will come. It will come.
Okay.
Okay, it will come. So we need to pass the Myro also, right? That we know. Pass the Myro, it will come here. Okay, don't worry. This will come.
Okay. Okay.
You need to understand this concept. Delivery completed. If GR enters for PO full quantity, so 50 quantity first time we have created, say purchase order. If you see, two GR is there. See, one
Yes,
50
sir.
quantity, one another 50 quantity. Now it is total 100.
Totally 100.
Okay, that is what I'm saying. Okay,
Yes.
then what will happen? Delivery complete indicator will select automatically in PO.
PO.
It will select automatically in the PO. Okay. Now coming to invoice tab. Okay, so this is
Yes.
the invoice tab. Invoice tab. So this task code.
That's code.
Okay, yeah. So if we set this indicator, system will expect invoice receipt,
Yes.
So this is expecting, right? The system is expecting invoice.
It is coming
Al-
automatically, no, sir. Invoice is
yeah, because already GR goods you have
last
received
100. It
from
shows
the
100.
supplier, Tata Steel, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
now you need to pass the Myro. That's why invoice receipt means you need to pay this vendor via Myro. Okay, that is what it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm. Now coming to, if IR is unchecked, suppose if this is unchecked, what will happen? If IR is unchecked, then total item quantity comes from vendor with free of cost, without invoice and without payment. Understand? Then this is coming free of cost. No need of creating Miro.
Yes.
Uncheck IR.
For SAP
One second.
invoices, such
Yeah.
as system for invoice.
Yeah. Uncheck IR and click enter button. Then in item row, net price will become blank and free indicator will be selected automatically and item condition tab also suppressed. So why I can't uncheck IR? Because already GR is passed, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is in coming in gray mode. Let's say for example, I'm creating a new PO. Okay, tell me 21N.
Okay. And then again, you have to create new PO means we have to
Yeah, we'll
go
see
to
that. Okay.
100 quantity.
Yeah, on quantity you can take 100 or 1000, whatever it is, does not matter. So I'm giving this and purchase or WPO1. This also you give here, and the material 1455 PO quantity. Let's say I'm taking here 200. Okay, and the net price I'm making here. I'm giving here 100. Plant WCP1. Okay, and the storage location WCS1. Click enter and save it. Okay, I have created another PO, right? What is this? 209. So go to PO, display PO with the same PO number. Okay, now edit option is there. Okay, now invoice, right? So for example, if I uncheck this invoice receipt, okay, Yusuf, if I uncheck this invoice receipt, you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you uncheck this invoice receipt, what will happen? You understand this? Try to understand this. If IR is unchecked, then total item quantity
Quantity
comes
comes
from vendor
from the
free of
vendor
cost,
and free of cost without
without
invoice.
invoice and without payment. Uncheck
Yes.
IR and click enter button. So I have unchecked this IR, okay, and I'm clicking this enter button. I click this, okay. Now you see what the difference is, okay, okay.
Yes.
Uncheck IR and click enter. Then in item row, net price will come blank. See here,
Yeah.
net price come blank.
No plus bank. They are giving
Why?
totally free.
That is what you need to understand.
So we
Come
have
blank.
to, if we are
And see
creating
see see
PO, we
yeah
have to check every time. Oh yeah.
and free indicator will be selected automatically. Okay,
Oh
see here,
yes.
see. I'll show you that also. Where is that free indicator? कंसल्टेंट
Okay.
चुपके नहीं बनते भाई. See, this is FRE free.
Yes.
मतलब free में यार
Indicator.
फुकट फुकट का माल है
Yes.
ये. Free.
Okay.
Understand?
सैंपल के माल को ऐसा आईआर क्रिएट करना
या या
पड़ेगा सर.
या सैंपल के माल को आईआर नहीं बनता. सैंपल की क्यों देते पेमेंट?
हाँ
You
which.
but you
Oh
try to understand. Okay, you understand,
yes
right?
yes
Yeah.
yes
So here you need to understand this. Okay.
yes sir.
Uh, okay. And selected automatically. And item condition tab
Mm.
also suppress. See
This
here.
IR unchecks item will quantity free of
And
cost and
item
the
condition
conditions
tab.
and the
See here.
appeal.
Condition. See here. Condition tab
Yes.
will also suppressed. See here. Earlier it condition tab was there, right?
The
See delivery,
condition,
invoice.
delivery.
Before invoice condition
Yeah.
was there, right? Let's
Yes.
say again in invoice again invoice receipt अगर मैं ये click करा now condition tab will open. See here. See this
Yes.
condition tab will open. But if fine check condition tab will suppress. This
Again,
tab will go
here it's showing.
vanish,
See the one more thing,
vanish,
sir.
vanish.
Uh,
Tell me.
one more thing it is showing IR receipt.
Huh? What I
Yeah,
have see
invoice
again
receipt.
net price is showing. Yeah, it is a blank, na.
Yeah, it's
It is
blank.
blank.
At the
That
time
means free of cost.
recent.
Free of
Uh,
cost. That
Yeah,
price will be blank, and here it will show as free. See,
okay.
free checkbox. So no need of paying to vendor. You just pass the GR. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Though IR unchecked and total item quantity coming free of cost, but client wants still item condition tab has to appear,
To
and
appear
only five
fried
condition tabs
condition
count has to allow.
allowed.
And
Now the
develop enhancement.
developer
Then we need
also.
to develop enhancement with ABAPer as follows. Like ABAPer will do this. Okay, here
Yes,
click
click IMG
IMG
documentation notes.
documentation now. Before clicking dots, see
Dot
this, this SMODT code here.
SMODT code.
Observe
Observe.
existing
Encode the ABI
enhancement
ABAP.
and develop. Yeah, don't repeat. Okay, yeah. So that though IR is unchecked, but still item condition tab appear with all condition tab as pricing. It's just a little bit I've given this. Okay, for you to
Yes, sir.
understand. That is called enhancement. Okay, enhancement means which is not there in SAP, but you are bringing by programming. ABAP are the
Yes, sir.
technical people. They will bring that. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So coming to invoice tab now in PO.
Uh,
So this is already we are in invoice tab. Okay.
Sir, we have to do
Final
ABAP, no?
invoice.
Shall,
No.
shall we check?
If something is there, enhancement, then we need to sit with the ABAP and give the logic what you need.
Sir,
The ABAP will do.
one time we do some extra, no?
See, for example, the client needs some more here, something different here, which is not there in SAP. Like, this condition control, but, the client saying that I need a vendor vehicle number, let's say here in PO. So who will bring that? That is not a SAP standard one, right?
Yes.
ABAPer will do that. So you need to open the PO and tell the ABAPer that the client requirement is he need a separate tab here, vendor vehicle number he need to see in PO itself. So
Okay,
that is
okay.
something which is not there in SAP standard, but you need to
It's
bring.
come
That is
in.
called
It
enhancement.
comes in
That is
inventory.
called enhancement. No, yeah, that is called as enhancement. Enhancement.
Okay, okay, okay.
Whatever standard SAP has not given, but you are bringing into SAP, that is called enhancement. So this is called
Enhancement.
enhancement activity, right? Enhancement, you need
Yes.
to sit with the ABAPer. You tell the
Okay.
ABAPers what is the client requirement. Give some logic. This is in item, not at header. So the client need at item level. So the ABAPer will check the feasibility. Then
Okay,
he will
okay.
do the coding, decoding, and he will bring that field separately. Okay. Yeah. Now,
Mm.
if you select this final invoice, what will happen? Okay. If you select that final invoice indicator, what will happen? Okay. So where it is? Yeah. Final. If you set this indicator, system not expect further invoice, and it will treat last entered invoice as final invoice, though PO is pending for invoice for partial quantity. Understand? You understand this? Let's say my PO quantity is 200, okay,
Yes.
and I'm saving the PO 209. Now I'm passing the GR. My go.
My code.
Tell something, yeah. Say if you don't know, okay, you say I don't know. But simply keeping quiet is also a danger. Like
Yes,
you are
sir.
speaking, I can understand something you are communicating. If it
Yes,
is
sir.
wrong,
Yes.
also you are trying to communicate. So I
Yes.
like those kind of people. But if some just sitting idle, just watching, telling nothing, then I think I will understand that you have not at all understand anything. If you are keeping quiet, at least try to
Okay.
interact. If it is
Yes,
wrong,
sir.
then I will tell. Like you told inventory, that is different story. I'm talking about enhancement. You are saying inventory. But at least
Yes, yes.
I can try to figure it out. I can tell you what is right and what is
Yeah.
wrong, right? Yeah. So now,
Yes, sir.
what is that PO number? Just now I've created 209, right? So
Yeah.
here
To
see
not it.
209, 209.
Yes.
Just now I've created new PO. So let's say partial quantity I'm taking 200. This is coming via PO, right? So instead of
Yeah.
200, I'm just making 180. So still partial 20 is left, right?
Partial 20. Yeah.
item, okay, and I'm saving this.
Okay.
These are the interview question, yeah.
Oh,
If they ask about, if I select the final invoice, okay, okay, tell Yusuf. If I select the interview, see, he will ask like that. Tell me one. Let me tell you one thing. Tell me 22 year. Simple
yes,
thing. यही मार खा जाते बच्चे पूरे.
yes, sir.
बच्चे यही मार खा जाते हाँ. So the interview will ask, okay, okay, Madhulika, in invoice tab, if I select final invoice, okay,
Yes,
what will happen? Now you need to answer it. What will be your answer? Tell me now. Now I get this final invoice, right?
yes,
And I have created the GR also. See, POHT is the see when the POHT is created, when GR is created, right? Will be
yes,
open.
sir.
So do you think this is open PO or closed PO? It is open PO, but
Open.
because still
Still,
we
it
need to
still it
receive
needs
20
20, no,
20
sir.
quantity. 20 quantity. It is 180
Still,
showing.
it needs 20.
But if I click this final invoice, then what will happen? If you click this final invoice, if you set this indicator, system not expect further
Not
invoice,
expect further invoice.
and it will treat last entered invoice as final invoice. Though PO is pending, PO is obviously pending for invoice for partial quantity,
Yes,
right? 20
yes,
partial quantity still it is there. But if I click
yes,
this, then the system won't expect further Miro. You understand?
yes,
It
sir.
will treat as completed. It is not
Completed.
it is not expecting further Miro, further invoice.
Further invoice or partial invoice.
Partial invoice only I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Whatever partial, it will not ask for the payment for partial invoice. You understand?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
what the funda. No data change.
Eh,
Final invoice I select. No data change. Okay, that is what you need to understand. If you select that, what will happen? Now, GR based invoice verification. If you select this, what will happen? GR based invoice verification. If you set this indicator, vendor invoice quantity is
Invoice.
verified based
Only
on GR
verified based
document
on their
quantity.
documents.
If it is selected in info record, okay, don't repeat. Okay. If it is selected in info record, then here also comes in select mode. If no info record is there, okay. If it is selected in vendor master, then NP also comes in select mode, but still editable here. Okay. So whatever GR is there, that much IR we are paying. So that is very good, right? Because what will happen? We pass the PO for 200 quantity, and GR we receive for 180 quantity, and IR we receive for whole 200 quantity. That is loss, right? So how much GR I got it, that much IR I need to pay. That is what it is, okay? GR based invoice verification. Yeah. Now in condition type, click analysis button. So this is condition tab. I'm going to dashboard. Okay, I'm going to condition tab. Why condition is not there? Because invoice receipt. This is treating as free of cost, right? Okay, okay. So I'm stopping the class. I will continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt till now?
Yes, sir.
But you need to practice, Yusuf.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The more you practice, the more you will understand the
Okay,
clarity.
sir.
Simple things they will ask. Wow, if I
Yes, sir.
tick the checkbox, final invoice, what will happen? Your answer should be like if you select that final invoice, though I received the GR for partial quantity, but still some quantity left, but the system will treat as not to create the invoice again. It will treat this
Yes,
as
sir.
the final price. It
Yes,
will
sir.
not expect the further invoice. That should be
Yes,
your
sir.
answer. Understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow means
Thank you.
Monday. Okay. Then.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.